Hello, welcome to Latest Wealth, the market guide. This program is about mind, money, and market. I am Kailash. I'm an entrepreneur and wealth coach. I help the business people how they can invest money in the stock market. My dear friends, today's topic is why the retailer investors lose money in the stock market, as well as the newcomers or the beginners, why they lose money in the stock market. My intention is not to discourage you, my friend. My intention is to help you by giving the awareness. What are the mistakes done by the new investors in stock market? That's why they lose the money. Are you ready? Come on, let's go and start learn. Why the retailer investors lose money in the stock market? As you might have heard about the success stories of the people who made millions and billions in stock market. For example, you might have heard about Warren Buffett, who is the world's richest person in the stock market. And same way in India also, you might have heard about success stories of the people who make millions of rupees and millions of dollars. And at the same time, you might have heard most of the people, they lose the money in the stock market. Why we are preparing this episode is, please watch this episode fully so that you will come to know what are the mistakes done by new investors or beginners, so that if you want to come into stock market, at least you can avoid that mistakes. Then you can reduce your risk factor. My intention is, when you are entering in the stock market, you have to make money and you have to build your confidence in you. This is not for discouraging the people. This is for the people to encourage. Actually, stock market is a wonderful place where you can earn more money. Now let us go to first point, why the retailer investors lose money in the stock market. The first is lack of preparation. My dear friends, first point why they lose in stock market is lack of preparation. Please understand, investment is also like a preparing for exam. Suppose your child is preparing for exam, what you do? You tell your child to prepare well for exam, or without preparation you tell your child to go and face the exam? No, you say your child to prepare very well. Now let me give one example. Imagine there are two students in your house or your school or in your locality. Let us say student number A and B. Imagine student number A is a very hard worker. Entire year he keep on reading the books and he is attending the coaching classes. He is taking the advice from the teachers. He has taken the private tuitions and he was keep on solving the old question papers. He was continuously attempting for small unit tests and quarterly exams and half yearly exams, all the exams, and he is taking online tests. This is A. Imagine B. He has not at all prepared anything for exam. Simply he was time passing by watching the movies, playing the video games. Just he was passing the time in the social media like a Facebook or Twitter or whatever it may be. Now the March exams have come. Tell me, who is having probability to succeed in exam? Obviously you say, what is a big thing, Kailash? Here naturally a student is having a probability to get succeed in exam. Correct na? Same the way in the stock market also, my friends. First, if you prepare very well, then you can minimize the risk. The preparation, please understand, the stock market, already a lot of investors are there. It is also just like a competitive exam. Just see, for example, I came to know that for civil service in India, only post maybe 1,000 posts, but almost more than 4 lakh people will be attempting for that exam. And whereas recently I came to know that in West Bengal, for 6,000 government jobs, almost more than 25 lakh people, they have attempted for the exam. Do you think all the 25 lakh people will get the job? No chance. Only 6,000 people will get the job. Yes, same the way for IIT entrance, CAT exam. For CAT exam, for 2,400 seats, more than 3 to 4 lakh people will be attempting. See, there is also competition. So what you do to get into competition, you'll start putting hard work and you start preparing very well. But unfortunately, in the stock market, most of the people, since they are having a money, simply they start investing the money. My dear friends, please remember, when you are entering in the stock market, that means you are already playing with the already seasoned player. It is also just like a game. Imagine you have purchased one stock, XYZ stock, for the price of 100 rupees. After some time, you are selling the same stock for 140 rupees. That means you are making the profit of 40 rupees, right? And suppose you purchase one stock for 100 rupees, ABC company. After some time, you made losses and you are selling the stock for, say, 80 rupees. That means you are making the loss of 20 rupees. Here, please understand, when you are selling the stock, somebody is buying. Yes? Same the way, when you are buying the stock, means somebody is selling. Here, very simple equation, my friend. Your profit is other person loss. Other person profit is your loss. Simple game. And when I say the simple logic, people say, oh, so it is not unfair. Why it is not unfair? Everywhere it is happening. If you go to competitive exam, you cannot say, only 1,000 people you have to select for the civil services. What about remaining 10 lakh people? Because the 10 lakh people, they have not prepared well. Will you accept him as a collector for your district who has not at all studied? No, na? Same thing is happening in the business. Whoever doing better, he will be given good business. Same thing in the cricket. Whoever is the best player, you will support him. For example, in India, you support Virat Kohli because he is playing tremendously well. Same in the house also. You give respect for the family member, whoever is working hard. Yes? Same the way, imagine you are having 3 or 4 children, one child is studying very well, you start giving more comfort to that child. Correct, na? In the school also same thing. And let us come to one family matter also. Suppose you got one small gift, you give it to 2 of your children. Whoever is having a capacity, they will grab that gift. Simple. So everything is, that's what somebody said, everything is fair in love and war. My dear friends, the second point is responsibility. Most of the successful investors I met personally, whenever they put into losses, immediately they take the responsibility about themselves. Yes, I am responsible for my loss. But unfortunately, if you see in middle class and poor class people, whenever they do the mistake, if you point out, they say, oh, it is not my mistake. They started blaming on others. They say, it is a mistake of Prime Minister, there is a mistake of India, this is a mistake of my brother, this is a mistake of my father. They don't take the responsibility. My friends, if you want to become successful investor in stock market, first take the responsibility on yourself. Best thing is how? Start learning. Suppose you invested something, you lose something, then start learning. Once again, I am saying in an earlier episode also I said, learning leads to earning. Learn from the mistake. Once again, start learning new things. Then what will happen? Your confidence level will start improving. Because you have to keep on learning in the stock market, or not only stock market, even if you are working in IT field also, everywhere some new softwares are coming. The person who has keep on updating the software, otherwise he will lose the job. Yes, everywhere in the business, in the relationship also, you have to keep on improving your skills. Same the way in the stock market, you have to keep on improving your skills. Because new people are coming, new people with wonderful skills, they are coming with the new strategies, they are coming. So you keep on improving the strategies. My dear friends, let me tell you how the new strategies and think out of the box things will start changing your life. Lot of business, some businesses for around 50, 60 years. And some newcomers are coming with the new strategies. Same the way in the stock market also, you have to come with some new strategies according to change of time. Let me give one example. Once there was a pizza companies, very popular companies. One company, they want to enter into US market. At the time they thought already competition is there, how can I become a leader? Then they have innovative idea. They have said, order our pizza. Just within half an hour we will deliver. If you are unable to deliver, the pizza is free. Overnight, it has become a great success. See, they have gone into some different way. That is Domino's Pizza. You may be knowing. Same the way, some people, they don't have any taxis, they don't have any cabs, like Ola and Uber, how they have grabbed the market. Same the way in the stock market also, when you start learning, if you take the responsibility, you can go with the new strategies and you can start making the money. But unfortunate, most of the retailer investors, they don't take the responsibility. They keep on doing same mistakes once again, 3 or 4 times they do same mistakes. Then the big fish in the ocean will eat away. Then they started blaming stock market is gambling. You might have heard. Go and ask the people who have failed in stock market. They start blaming the market. Let me tell you statistics about market, my friends. In the point number 1, I was saying the preparation for civil services, for 1000 posts, almost 5 lakh people are competing. Here in the stock market, let me tell you, our Indian stock market, the market capitalization, if I say, some people may get heart attack. Can you guess? In 2017, it was around, I am not going to single paisa because every day it will be keep on changing. Let me tell you, 3 lakh crore rupees. Just see, that means after 3, 12 zeros are there. 12 zeros are there. 3 lakh crore rupees. This much of amount you have to share between stockholders. Do you know that how many people are there? In India, total 32 lakh Demat accounts are there, but don't worry, they are not at all your competitors. Simply they have taken the Demat account, but out of that, 7 lakh are the traders. That too, out of that, hardly 2,50,000 traders are actively trading. And out of that, very professional is hardly 10,000 to 15,000 people. They are very professional. Daily they are going into market. And that means you have to compete with only 10,000 people. Now tell me, whereas for any competitive exam, if you want to go to CAT exam for 2,400 seats, you have to compete with more than 5 lakh people. And the two, how many subjects are there? Here, tell me how many subjects are there? Just if you read 5-10 books and attend some training classes where some professionals are conducting some training classes, attend and take the training. Tell me, which is easy? Getting the seat in IIM or getting the money in stock market? But unfortunate, we don't prepare. We say our children to prepare. That is the reason most of the retail investors are losing. Hope you got wonderful information from this video. My dear friends, I want to educate most of the retailer investors. That's why we have been conducting this type of program. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. Enjoy every bit of life. Have a nice day and bye-bye.